In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive link without access. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a link that anyone can open without signing in, while keeping control over what they can do with your file or folder. This is perfect for sending read-only documents, sharing resources with a group, or quickly distributing files without managing individual permissions. Just remember, when you open up a link to anyone, you are trading convenience for broader visibility. So choose your settings carefully. Start by opening Google Drive at Drive, Google Tom, and locating the file or folder you want to share. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct item, especially if you have similarly named versions. If it's a folder, everything inside inherits the folder's sharing setting, so be sure you are comfortable sharing its contents. Right. Click the file or folder and choose Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can access the item. You'll see a section labeled General Access. By default, this is usually set to Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open it. Click the drop-down next to General Access and change it from Restricted to anyone with the link. This is the key step that removes the sign-in requirement. With this setting, anyone who has the link can open the file, but it doesn't make your file publicly searchable on the web. It simply allows access for anyone who obtains the link. Now set the role. You'll see options for viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer is the safest choice for no login. Read-only access, which is ideal for most situations like sharing PDFs, images, or finalized documents. Commenter allows people to leave comments without changing the original content, which can be useful for feedback. Editor grants full editing rights, including the ability to modify or even delete content, so use that only when you fully trust the recipients and truly need collaboration. When you've chosen the role, click Copy Link. This places the shareable link on your clipboard. Then click Done to close the window. You are ready to share. Paste the link directly into an email, a chat message, or a text. For clarity, include a short note about what the link is and what level of access you've provided, so recipients know whether they can only view, comment, or edit. That's it: quick, clear, and controlled sharing from Google Drive without requiring access requests. Thanks for watching.